On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype, we make it take flight.
Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, what Guan, a blessed and wonderful Friday morning to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side each and every morning. We have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Creator for the preservation of life, because life is indeed the greatest. So in the morning, my peeps, to the name Friday, the day when Mr. Smile smile pan some of the ones and ones them pocket. So whilst you're out there traversing these streets, safe travel, pan the gravel, continuously look out on the corner here, because the old dirty corner boy them always out there, alerts. So we have a story to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public this morning, and also members after the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog, so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we are going in Jamaica. So watch this now. We have some breaking news emerging all over social media, stating that 6 persons from the entourage of dancehall artist Jahshii get caught up and some seriously injured. Now, early this morning, that took place whilst they were leaving a nightclub on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew. It is said that the artist was not harmed. The incident has been confirmed by head of the St. Andrew Central Police Division, Senior Superintendent Marlon Nesbitt, who also confirmed that the artist was not armed and the injuries received by his entourage members is not considered to be life-threatening. So we're going to hear from the superintendent himself as he weighs in on this new developing story. Listen.
Several gunshots at the entourage. From what we are told, just managed to elude the attackers, but 6 persons were shot. From information, they are not life-threatening injured. We are interviewing and we are processing the scene as we speak. We can imagine that they will be blocking off of the roadway, Constant Spring Road, going north in the vicinity from Red Hills Road and certainly past Marketplace entrance. But the incident actually happened on Constant Spring Road, vicinity Marketplace.
Now, information reaching On The Spot News Media is that one of the vehicles traveling in Jahshii's convoy gets shot up early this morning, sometime about 4 a.m. And what really happened is that shortly before the knockings and clappings, the artist decides he's going to travel into another vehicle, switch up the thing a certain type of way, just in case people are pre-finishing him food. And said so, said done. The vehicle that he was supposed to travel in, that are the vehicle will get caught up. So it's a lucky thing, say, him a pre the thing a certain type of way and switch up the vehicle, or else who knows what would have taken place. Now I covered a story which had taken place in the Grandspend community a few weeks ago, where a knockings and clappings took place in the community that resulted in the loss of life of a man. Now, I covered that story extensively in this vlog. I also did a follow-up vlog that explained more as it relates to that particular story. Now, we have all seen that his mother and also the mother of the victim came out and refuted the claim of not only that of On The Spot News Media, but that of the St. Andrew North Police Division and also other media houses about that particular knockings and clappings. I also made mention that in the garrison run under certain order. And of course, many persons from the garrison would understand, say, a whole heap of mind games playing at the garrison. So we don't really watch the fact that his mother came out and said this, or the mother of the deceased came out and said that. We know how the garrison run. And I clearly stated I'll say nothing more on it, since everybody I lay the blame squarely at the feet of everyone else, with the exception of whose feet it is to be laid. I clearly stated that I will just allow this to play out itself and everyone will see. Well, the play literally just start. This is the beginning. And I do hope that persons involved will make good sense prevail and de-escalate this situation before it claims more life. Now I'm going to show you something on the screen. And I want you to understand that when time we as vloggers and other persons are coming out to speak on the topic of persons who try to sing certain songs and enforce certain narratives in the mind of our people, singing about slapping away people, dirt settings, this, that, and the fourth, and the effect that it will have on society. Persons don't seem to understand that music is one of the most powerful sources, as they continue to try to twist and turn things and compare it with this and that and saying it's just words, it's just a song, it's just a lyrics, and it has no negative effect on the mind, body and soul. Well, I'm saying this morning to the naysayers who think that it is just lyrics, it is just a song. It is not so, because whatsoever energy you push out into the universe, you shall receive back that same energy. And if you don't receive it, trust me, the good book never ever lie. Remember, say you have kids coming up, and if it not fall upon you, it just may fall on the shoulders of your offsprings or your offspring. Now I'm going to show you a song on the screen. A song that was done by yours truly in relation to the happenings in Grand Spend, the recent happenings in Grand Spend. Now the lyrics of the song is stating, me dep on the stage here with a weapon near me. We dep on safety at the whole place. Me we take and shaky. Yeah, man. I want to note certain things, Can't take me 3 pints and a LeBron James this. Them have to go weakness, bless and greatness. Get to youths want to see jet and plane wing. What uno want to see? Man dead pan careless. I rather them than me. Than this ya youth here. Mr. Newsman, move and go get your facts right and no bring your news wrong. Nobody try ramp with the singer future. I just purify it from me sing a few song. Lock way in a myself with a piece of ruga, no day from night. Dog, me no see no light, fully paranoid. So everywhere me go now is a strap in my waist. Too much crab in a barrel and rat in the race. But me have it. I'm prepared, solid, and me brave. Uno watch it, make me separate Jahshii from the fame. Me feel like David, Goliath, forehead, me a aim. Them feel them brain, big friend, a play mind game. So the enemy a test fate, me hold me head straight. Now every day, sitting where me can't escape. I rather them than me. Can't kill me so easy. One up in the matic. I'm not afraid to squeeze it. Now my peeps, wanna feel like say them words there just come out of mouth just so. We all know Jamaican artists. Them sing certain things. Them sing the life that them live in. And as he clearly stated, him have it pan him everywhere him a go, and him well ready for knock it and clap it. And those were just words, may I say. But the words actually came to light, came into play this morning. But it's just that is the reverse of it, because you did not do it. It actually happened to you. So we have to understand that music is not just words, and we are to be careful of what we put out there in the atmosphere. And these artists need to choose, pick a side and stay upon it. Is either you're a gangster or you're a singer. Choose a side and stay upon it. Both of them cannot work. We have seen many others before you try that and it no work out. So why you think it gonna work anyway different for you? Now in closing, let me say this, as I stated earlier, music is one of the most powerful sources on earth. So for those who listens to like praise and worship music when you're in a certain mood and you want to change that mood or to connect more with your Heavenly Father, when you listen to that particular song and that music pierces your soul and put you into that frame of mind of worship, is it just words? No, it is not. It is similar to those who are in love and you're listening to some Celine Dion, some Whitney Houston, some Anita Baker, and it just puts you into that loving mood. You just want to love upon your person. It is not just music. It is not just words. It is way deeper than we think. If it is just source of music as we have it, why Buju Banton have to stop sing Boom Bye Bye? Why so much Jamaican artists get banned from going into certain countries because of those type of songs? If it is just words and it not have no effect on people and how people react and treat others, then them would have just allowed them to sing whatsoever and do whatsoever. No, we cannot use these things conveniently to suit. Is either it is or it is not. It is not just when to suit. So our artists have to understand that your music, what you're putting out in society, it will play right out back on you. Yeah, man. So anyway, my peeps, a word to the wise. So anyway, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.